Good morning and welcome to episode number 4 of Mr. Combe's Maths Breakfast with myself, Mr. Combe, and the lovely Sadie sitting here with me this morning at about 6:15. Early start. So last few episodes we've looked at multiplication, addition, subtraction. Today we are going to be looking at a bit of division. We're looking at kind of a bit of short division on the board in a formal method. But before we get started, it is absolutely essential that you know your times tables to be able to do this. And when I say know your times tables, I don't just mean you can chant it in order. I mean you know them inside out. So for example, 6 times 4 equals 24. If you understand that, that's great. But what you also need to be able to understand, if someone says to you, what's 24 divided by 6? You need to be able to know straight away, my answer would be 4. Similarly, 24 divided by 4 will give me 6. So it's about knowing it inside out. Also, that way, you should be able to apply your knowledge. So if someone says to you, ooh, what's 240 divided by 6? Well, I can use that knowledge that 24 divided by 6 is 4, and I've got an extra 0 on the end, which gives us 40. Okay, we'll look at that in another video. So, here's our rubber. First thing we are going to look at is this one. So 832 divided by 4. So let's have a look at this presentation. So our 4 here, and we set it out. Give ourselves a lot of room. If it's all bunched up, we're looking to make careless mistakes. We're looking kind of to mess up. So give yourself space. 832. Now, my first question, how many 4s can I get into 8? So, if I'm looking at my fingers, there's my 8. How many 4s can I get in? So there's 1 4 and there's 2 4s with nothing left. So at this point, I have 2 4s going to 8. Now, how many 4s go into 3? It's not enough. I can't get 4 into 3. So I'm going to have to put a 0. But because I haven't used that 3, I'm going to underline it so it makes a 32. So my last question would be, how many 4s? Oh, cough, cough. How many 4s can I get into 32? And my answer is 8. Little miss. Sadie. She's a bit grouchy today. She's not on best form, are you, darling? No. Okay, example 2. Do you want to hold that? So, 558 divided by 6. So again, nice presentation, spread out. If you've got squares, that makes it a lot easier. My first question, how many 6s can I get into 5? Well, here's my 5. I can't get a 6 in there. It's not possible. So I'll put my 0 up here, and like the previous question, this now becomes 55. So, I think, how many 6s can I get into 55? I know my 6 times tables, and I know that 54 is in the 6 times table. So I know that there are 9 6s in 54. Now, how many are there between 54 and 51? I could just do a cheeky subtraction, which gives me 1 left over. So I know there's 1 to go here. And then to finish it off, I ask myself, how many 6s go into 18? And there are 3. So my answer would be 93. So, let's have a look one more before we move on. Lots of rubbing, folks. There you go, princess. So, the last one we're going to look at for this section. So, 900, 9,000 even, and 12 divided by 8. Again, I give myself plenty of room. So, first question, how many 8s go into 9? There are 1. Because there's my 9, there's my 8 that I've used, and I've got 1 left over, so I'm going to put him here. How many 8s go into 10? There's my 10. I take away my 8. Holding the pen doesn't help. And I have 2 left over. So, my 1, and then my 2. Now my last question, how many 8s go into 21? Now I know that 8 goes into 21 twice. So it goes in there. And that makes, if we look at our remainder, we do our subtraction with 5 left over. And because it's so early, I've made a really silly mistake, so I'm just going to change our question really quickly to avoid embarrassment, because that should have been 6. So, how many 8s go into 56? We have 7. Right, let's do just a quick couple of questions looking at division with a remainder. Of course, looking at this bit, if you can do that in your head, that's absolutely fine. I'm going to do that for the next 2. Oh, it's exhausting doing all this rubbing out. So, let's have a look at this one. 5, 7, 9 divided by 5. So, sending it out. Right, nice easy start. How many 5s go into 5? That's 1. How many 5s go into 7? 1 again. With 5, 6, 7 with 2 left. Now how many 5s go into 29? Well, I know that 5 times 5 is 25. But then how many other options? So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Why are you shaking your head? That is right. So we've got 4 left over. So how do we show this? Well, it means we've got 4 left out of the 5 we were dividing by. So you can see the number we were dividing by here becomes the denominator, and this number is the final remainder that we've got. So our final answer is 115 and 4 over 5. Or, if you want to convert it to decimals, 115.80. Right, we'll do one more because Miss Sadie is not a happy little miss this morning. Here we go. Okay, last one. So 8,392 divided by 7. Okay, so nice presentation. It's okay, little miss. It's okay. Okay, so 7's into 8. We have 1. So 7, 8. 1 remainder. Now 7's into 13. Go 1, which is 7. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there's my 6 carrying here. 7's into 69. Well, I know that 9 times 7 gives me 63. So then it's 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Another 6 remainder. And then 7's into 62. Well, I know that 7 times 8 is 56. Bit of a theme coming here. So 7 times 8 is 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. So I know my final remainder is 6. And to put it as a fraction, because we're dividing by 7, that becomes our denominator. Our final answer, 1,198 and 6/7. So, I've done a few. Alright, we're going to watch TV in a minute. That makes her laugh. I hope you've enjoyed this. Quite a few examples that I've shown you today. Of course, as usual, in the comments section below, in the description section, sorry, I'll put a range of questions for you to attempt, for you to try at home. You know, use a calculator or, you know, ask a parent to work with you and check your answers. Have a lovely, what day is it today? Losing track. Have a lovely Tuesday. Keep safe and remember to like and subscribe to the channel and have a look at all the other videos that are out there promoting some excellent learning from George Spicer. Okay? That's it from me today. You can say bye-bye, Sadie? That's close enough. Okay, I'll see you soon.